Hey everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're already part of this fam, thank you so much for joining me again today. I really appreciate you. Yeah. Today's video is going to be about the Canvas Cosmetics matte lipsticks that I recently got from them. They are a new Kenyan brand that has launched into the market, and they started with the 15 liquid lipsticks. They are pretty interesting. They have a variety of colors which I'll be sharing with you guys. I've been testing them out, so today is gonna be, showing you the colors and also giving you the tea on the lipsticks. So without further ado, as you can see, I don't have any lipstick on. Let's get into the swatching. Let's get into it, right? The packaging does come with this one, and it kind of just shows you the colors that they have. They are in 3 categories. One is Vandalized, Hello Gorgeous, and Miss Independent. In each category we have 5 colors. In the Miss Independent one we have Hatari, Rumba, Smooch, Hustle, and Summer. And then the Hello Gorgeous one, we have Baby Doll, Bella, Blush, Crush, Dolce. And then Wanderlust, we have Dusk, Dawn, Mara, Safari, Sahara. This is how the box looks like. Pretty nice. It has some sort of Nairobi landscape. It's pretty nice. It's pretty nice. And the colors, then black. I feel like it's really simple and sophisticated, and I'm all about that vibe. And then it has the name of the lip color at the back. Once opened, you need to use it in 24 months, that is 2 years. Let's get into the lipsticks. I'm going to start with Hello Gorgeous, and it says, the card says, be your own kind of beautiful. I mean, who doesn't want to be their own kind of beautiful? We're all different. I'm going to start with Bella. So this is how it looks. Smells pretty nice. Look at that. It's pretty nice. Here we go. This is Bella, first application. Such a beautiful color for my skin tone as well. I feel like it will look nice on someone who's also a bit lighter. There we go. I love the color. I can wear it like this without lining my lips, and I can also line my lips with maybe a brown pencil or a burgundy pencil, and then do this color just to make it even more defined at the edges. Once this lipstick dries, nothing, I mean nothing. Let's go to the next one. Next is Blush. I would not wear this alone though, but this is how it looks. I'll first line my lips. Get the color. So that's how I would wear it. Next color is Baby Doll. Very bright as well. This is how it looks. I'm not gonna wear this alone, of course, but the color is pretty nice. And it's not super opaque with its first application, so you might need to just add some more, but wait till it's super dry, because if you do it before it dries, you're going to end up with a blotchy lip application. Next from the Hello Gorgeous collection is Dolce. Very bright as well. This is how it looks on its own. I would not wear this on its own, but I would actually make it work. And it's also not very opaque with its first application. If you're really light skinned, you can get away with this one. If I pair it with something darker, it will look beautiful. And then you put like a gloss on top. Oh my god, it will look amazing. I think I should do something. Brown lip pencil. And just apply at the middle. Before it dries. How cute is this? Like, this looks amazing. Amazing. I love it. I'm gonna snap. You just put some lip gloss on top. You might be surprised. There we go. What do you think about this color? This is so pretty. I think I would wear this. That is Hello Gorgeous. Next is Miss Independent. What do they say about Miss Independent? If you obey all the rules, you miss all the fun. Kinda true, kinda true. This is summer. I really love it. I can wear this on its own. Okay. Next, Hustle. It's such a pretty color. It looks intimidating by just looking at it, but when you wear it, it actually looks really nice. I will definitely line my lips, but when I'm more daring, I will be like, I'm here. Next is Hot Hari. Ooh, it looks dangerous. Pretty nice. I like it. Hiya, Hatari. Next is gonna be Rumba. It's a deep red with orange undertones. Very warm. Beautiful. Wow. I love this one. I'm lost for words. I love this one. I find it to be a perfect deal for Fenty Beauty. Only that Fenty is just a little bit cooler than this. That's not like a cool red. But this one, you can use this one instead of Fenty if you've been looking for Fenty. Yeah. Next, the last one in the Miss Independent collection is Smooch, and it's a purple color. It's so pretty. So they all smell really nice. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at this color. This is so pretty. I love this color. Okay, let's get into the Wanderlust collection. The first lipstick is Dusk. I will not wear this alone. I will definitely use a lip liner just to make it work. But the color itself is really nice, pigmented as well. The next color is Dawn. It's also a pretty nice color. This is a color I think I would actually use a lot. Yeah, I would not wear this on its own, but I already know what I would do with this, especially for the nude colors. It will look amazing. In fact, you already have seen this color. Let me just do the look that I'm talking about. Just do that and then grab my brown pencil. Something like this. Maybe put on a lip gloss again on top. I think with a liner you can use all of these colors, especially those bright ones. So this is how I would actually make it work, or use it with other lip colors that are a bit deeper, just to brighten at the middle. If you're also into ombre lips, then this would actually be perfect. But yeah, I love the color. I love the color used in this way. This one is Safari. It's a green color. And this is how it looks. Pretty dope. I would not wear this alone again. I will definitely line my lips. In fact, let me do that and show you. I'm going to first line my lips with a dark brown pencil. Or if you have like a dark green pencil, do that as well. It will come out looking dope. So I'm gonna do the green. Just feather it out. And this is how I would wear it. Just one way. I have other ways of doing this, but this one is not bad at all. The last two lipsticks that I have are the metallic ones. They are so pretty. I'm gonna start with Sahara. It's a pretty color, but I will not wear it on its own. I'll definitely line my lips first as well, and maybe use it as an eyeshadow base too. You know, you can use lipsticks for whatever you want. They're just color. So yeah, this is how it looks. Let me put on the last one. Mara. Another metallic lip color. And this one is darker than Sahara. Oh my god. This is beautiful. This is how it looks. We love this lip color. Oh my god, I love it. I love it. I would wear this anytime. Canvas Cosmetics, you are doing this. This is really nice. I just feel like a queen. So yeah, let's talk about these lip colors. I feel like it's pretty diverse when it comes to color. We have colors that will actually suit deep skin tones and also way lighter skin tones, so that's a good thing. And for the bright lip colors that will not suit dark skin tones, then you can always use a brown pencil, burgundy pencil, like those deep colors. And you can also use them to create ombre lip looks, which are pretty dope as well. I love me some ombre looks, so yeah, they're actually gonna come in very, very handy for those ones. I love how they feel. They don't budge. They do dry to a matte finish, but it does not feel super dry. I also noticed that some of these colors are a bit patchy, and please don't do this when applying, or else it's still wet, because it's going to be really patchy. Don't do that. Just apply, let it sit, apply the other one, let it sit. I noticed that the lighter shades, the ones that are bright, most of them tend to be a bit lighter on application as well. They're not super opaque, super pigmented rather, with the first application. So what you can do is apply the first layer, let it dry, and then apply another one. Don't apply a second layer while the first one is still not yet dry, because it might turn out a bit blotchy and patchy. I feel like they are fairly priced, not cheap and not super expensive. They go for 1,800 shillings for the normal matte lipsticks, and then for the metallic ones they go for 2,000 shillings. So yeah, that is it for me. I love the product. I love how it feels on the lips. I love that it does not smudge. I love that you can get them locally. I'm going to leave their Instagram page link in the description box below, so you can go ahead and check them out. So that's it for me, guys. I hope you enjoyed this one. I did enjoy doing this, and until the next one, peace, love and makeup.